Hello friend, Toby here, and shooting a very special quick video today to say thank you to everybody that's done the most amazing thing for my family, my mum. As you've seen, that my mum needs some help financially with some surgeries, and it's just been so humbling and really mind-blowing to see how strong this community of online networkers and internet marketers are. We want to give a huge shout out to David Wood. Thank you so much for the energy, the time, the passion, obviously the financial contribution that you made. It's truly mind-blowing. It really is. It's extremely humbling. I spoke to my mom yesterday on the phone. She was in tears and just in shock to see how much love and support she was getting from some people that haven't even met her. And then you got Yoli and different people, Cedric, Libby, that have had the chance to meet my mom and know how incredible she is. So again, from Layla, from me, from our family, thank you so much. I'm gonna get my mom to shoot a video too, so you can all get to see her also. But thank you so much for everything you've done. The love is just absolutely incredible. We love this community that we are a part of, and it's times like this that really gives you gives you a lot of strength to see the people and the caliber of people that you're surrounding yourself by. So if you don't know what we're talking about, you stumbled across this video going, what is all the commotion about? Simply just click the link in the description box and you'll come to a website that was made by some of my mom's friends, and you can check out exactly what's going on. So have an amazing day. Thank you again. We love you from the bottom of our heart. Take care, and we'll be seeing you soon.